Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Tuesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We got another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer. And take advantage of the Prime's fast and free shipping. And you can get one of these in no time. Not sure which one this is. But here we go. Oh, nice. We have here HS-3. Ooh, look at these. Here's the Soul steering sound from Origem. I don't even know what that is. And this is like the first time with the Alexa built-in mic, I do believe.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Whoops. Quick charge, voice recognition, waterproof, camera, shutter, HD voice. So yeah, this is a good one, guys. Definitely check them out. HS-3. I'll have the links down below. You guys can test them out. Be great for Christmas gifts, birthday, for the gym, for jogging, gardening, whatever you guys do. Let's see what they look like though. Nice package. Oh. Aha. There we go. Ooh. Look at these guys. Alright. Comes with a nice little travel case. Got a travel case right here. And got a USB charge. Got the replacement earbuds. There we go. Let's get these out. Alright. Oh man. These are cool. Got the built-in mic. Hold on one sec. Alright, sorry about that. Here we go. Got the mics right there. Microphone check. Really nice. Lightweight. So you put these in your lobes. Drop it in like that. Got the hook. Got the mic. Oh, look at that. Dang. Look at that swivel. Definitely can't break these. These are nice. Got the swivel on this side too. See how do I front or back? Okay. Got the USB right here. That's where you plug it in on the side. This is the front. Nice big buttons right there. And then turn it on. And you guys know how to search on your Bluetooth. Just scroll down. Once it's loaded up, it'll pop up HS-3. Bada boom. It's going to connect. I'm going to test them out for a sec. Kind of get the feel. Let you guys know how they feel in ear. Definitely liking the mic. Oh yeah. These feel really nice. Nice and comfy. You got the mic inside, so in case you try to get distracted driving, or you vloggers out there, these would be nice to have. I know take some trips on the airplane. Oh, they sound good. Yeah, they sound clear. Great bass. Lightweight. Let's see what the charge time was. I think I already said. And these are nice. Great deal too they got going on. Yeah, definitely check them out, YouTubers. Links will be down below. I don't see it on the manual. So button functions, power on, power off. Okay. Hello, voice cue. That's what you gotta say. Yeah, that's about it. I think I set it on the side. I had it somewhere. Quick charge, 30 minutes, non-stop, 6 hours of music. Alright. IPX5 waterproof. Camera shutter, remote control. Okay. HD voice. Yeah, so these are definitely nice. I listen to them, and it sounds really clear. Great bass, and feels really comfortable. So definitely give these a try. Give someone a gift. You know, Christmas is coming around the corner fast, so something new on the market. You guys will definitely want to check out. And I'm not sure if they have different colors, but red and black's alright, so can't complain about that. And the mic's really cool. A lot of cool functions. We can just talk to Google or, you know, Alexa and stuff like that. So definitely happy with these. And YouTubers, you guys could be happy with them. All you gotta do, click the link, be safe, have a great night, and see you guys soon.